Hi everyone, this is Gail Bottomley here from Marketing Brand You. Now in the last couple of days I've had the same question asked twice. So I figure that there will be more than 2 people out there in the whole world that still haven't worked out how to do this, and so I'm going to show you how. And that's how to download pictures from Facebook and Google the easy way. There's the old way that we always used to do it with Snipping Tool, but it's become quite a lot easier nowadays. And so just a quick video really to show you how to do it. So I'm at Kangan Business Builders, this one here, which is a private group. And let's just say, hey, you want this picture. This is quite a good picture. I'm not sure what it is, but there we go. And you want to download that picture. So all you have to do is come down here to this tiny little thing that says options, click on that, and then you can download the picture. See? Just click on download and it will download it, save it. There we go. And mine just saves up here into the downloads department, and so I'll open that. This is what I do. You can do whatever you want with your pictures, but I like everything to be organized so I can find things. So let's just go cut, and then I'll throw that into my pictures. There's Kangan in here, and so I'll just put that picture in here, paste. There we go. Now how simple is that? So that's one picture down. Let's see if we can find another one. So I was just downloading them so that I could use them. So all I do is click on there and then press options and just download them. Now the reason that I've got a few extra things here, you'll see all these different things, is because I actually uploaded this picture. So it gives me more options. So I can just go download and do the same as what I did before. Now that's a very simple way of doing it. Now I've also, hopefully, it's worked. I've also done it on my cell phone, which is a very easy way on the cell phone. And so I will be able to show you that as well. Now what I want to do is go to Google Images, put in magic, right. I'm going to go to Images. Now let me see, which one would I like? Well, this is a really good one, this one. But you see it's got this in it, and it's just really annoying to be able to do much with this because of the X in it, and you can't really get rid of it. So all you have to do is right click on it, save image as, and you can save that image into your pictures. I want to save it into my Kangan, so I'll find Kangan. I'm going to give it a name, Distributor ID, and that is a PNG. So I'm just going to save that, and I've got it. So you can do that with anything that's in here. So let me think some people might want to download this picture. Right click, save image, or you can copy an image if you want, and if you can copy and say put it into a Facebook message that you might be sending to someone. Let me show you how to do that. So I'm just going to send it to myself. So what I'm going to do is to right click here and paste it in. Look at that. Pretty simple, eh? So you can just send that. So someone says to you, oh, where can I find a really good image of a machine? There it is right there. So remember how we did that? We just right clicked on it and we went copy image and we sent it via the messenger right there. How good is that? So hopefully that's helpful to you, and you'll be able to use those little tricks there. And yeah, anything else you'd like to know how to do, you just ask. This is Gail Bottomley signing off. Have a great day.